This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cami Alberts. This completely renovated house is ready for you to call home. Perfect for entertaining with wide open floor plan. New wood look vinyl flooring with upgraded baseboards. Gourmet chef's kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, range hood west/LED lights, white shaker, soft close cabinets, quartz countertops and glass tile backsplash. Bathrooms offer luxurious porcelain tile, frameless mirrors, stone floor showers, new vanities west/marble tops, soft close cabinets. Brand new AC. Freshly painted inside and out. New fixtures and switches throughout. Newly landscaped, sodded and sprinkler system. 2-car garage offers hurricane door, new opener and full bathroom. Nest outdoor cameras, Ring doorbell, complete West/Google smart home. No expense spared here. This beauty will go fast. No showings until open house. For more information, review the details below.